Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions partners here at Fix8 Media. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tabs widget. To begin with, we're going to be logged into our site and make sure that we're in editing mode. Move over to the widgets on the left sidebar and either look for or search for the Tabs option. Drag that to your preferred placement on a row, and it will open up with the usual content and design options. To create tabs, you simply create Add Tab, and clicking on that tab will allow you to first choose a picture for the tab. And in this instance, I'll hit Replace and choose the buildings. Then you're going to label the tab. I'm going to call this one Buildings. You can actually control the heading type of the tab. So if you want to use a heading 1, 2, 3, any of your presets, you of course have the opportunity to do that, and it will pick up the site styling. You have a title option, a description field, and important to note that you can add links just like you add links anywhere else in your site. You have the option to show a button that would link somewhere, as well as add the actual link to the button. And of course, you control what the button reads as well. And if you want to add alt text for the image for SEO value, you have the opportunity to do that as well. To continue to add tabs, you simply add as many as you need. And you can see that clicking on them then has the ability to change the picture, title, description, button, and associated link. Moving back into the setting options and clicking on the Design tab will show you the various options you have. In this layout, the tabs are across the top. In the next layout, they're across the top with an underline. Moving down, there's a nice vertical option, which allows users to click on the left bar. And finally, there's a more boxed or tabbed kind of option for tabs that's very nice as well. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fix8 Duda experts.